Oink.
Cheese.
Say hi.
Hi.
Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you say I love you?
What's the opposite of a birthday cake?
Say,
Will help us figure this out.
are you laying down on mommy and giving loves?
Birthday cakes are usually
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Oh, what happened? Did you run over Manny? You gonna go in your tunnel? I see you. Are you coming? Come on.
Cheese.
Come on. Whoa.
Cheese.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. My piece. A bubble.
Where's your ball? Go get it.
Baby.
You're not a baby.
Baby. A bubble.
Are you jumping?
This is
What is it?
Mama.
Is it a ball?
Go.
You're gonna throw it at the door? Come on, let's go upstairs and play drums.
Cheese.
Let's go upstairs. You wanna play drums in Kyle's room?
Yes.
Okay. Turn on the drums in the amp. Good job. Turn on the drums. Okay, where's the drumsticks?
I see.
You want me to get some? Drums. Go ahead. Are you having fun? You want to go play your drums?
Yes.
Okay, you want help down?
Yes.
Can you turn them off? Okay, turn off the amp. Good job. Okay, take the sticks. Let's go play your drums. Leave that there, please. Thank you for unplugging it. Put it down. Just put it down. Okay. No, take the sticks. Let's go play your drums.
Thank you.
Okay, play them. Yay! Keep playing. You don't like those sticks?